Hello students, lesson number 6, population, standard 10th. An important resource of any country is population. The qualitative aspects of a population are important for a nation's economic and social progress. The climate and physiography of India affects its population distribution. According to census 2011, India's population is around 121 crores. Second most populous country in the world is India. Percentage of land area of the world occupied by India is 2.41%. Percentage as per 2011 census, India's average population density is 382 persons per square kilometer. India's population distribution is uneven. Factors that play an important role in population distribution is physiography and climate. Factors due to which human settlements have been established in some parts for many centuries are land and availability of water and fertile land plain. Reason for a proportion of the population getting concentrated in a few places like the northern plains of India and a few major cities are because of trade. In mountainous hilly regions, dry desert areas, dense forest areas, population density is sparse due to inaccessibility, absence of facilities and tough life. Now we will talk about Brazil. The most populated country in the South American continent is Brazil. According to census of 2010, population of Brazil is 19 crores. Population-wise, Brazil ranks 5th in the world. With respect to land area, Brazil ranks 5th in the world. Percentage of total area of the world occupied Brazil is 5.6%. Percentage of world population residing in Brazil is 2.78%. The density of population of Brazil around is 23 persons per square kilometer. The distribution of population in Brazil is also uneven. Majority of the Brazilians are concentrated within 300 kilometers of the eastern coastal areas, also called the coastal lowlands. Density of population in eastern coastal areas of Brazil is high, therefore agriculture and industries have flourished here. The interior region of the Amazon basin is very sparsely populated. Settlements occur only in a few places in the Amazon basin due to unfavorable climate, heavy rainfall, inaccessibility and dense forest. Population in central and western Brazil is less. Density of population in Brazilian highlands in India is moderate. Men outnumber women. In India, for few decades, we see fluctuation in the sex ratio. In India, there has been a slight increase in the sex ratio after 1991. Sex ratio means the number of females per thousand male in a region. The number of women has always been more than men in Brazil. The number of women has never been more than men in India. India has a higher proportion of youth and has higher working population. The graph that shows the age and the sex of population is also known as population pyramid. Population pyramid is used to study the age and sex related aspects of region's population. The rate of population growth is decreasing and may not increase in the next 2 decades in Brazil. The number of young people is more in both India and Brazil. The number of children is more in India. The proportion of people in the age group above 80 years is more in Brazil. In Brazil, the rate of growth of population has reduced considerably. From 2001 to 11, India's population increased by 18.2 crores. India's population growth rate has stabilized, but it was higher till 1971. India's population is still growing, but growth rate is declining. Increase in life expectancy is an indicator of development of that society. An increase in average life expectancy is due to improvement in medical facilities, progress in medical field, access to nutrition, food, The average number of years a person is expected to live, life expectancy is called. India's life expectancy was 41 years in 1960, but now on an average Indians live for 68 years. On an average Brazilians live for 75 years. Now this was the explanation about the population as we are learning in this year about the two countries, that is India and Brazil. So as per the study of both the countries, in this chapter we have learned about the quality, about the increase and decrease of population, about the type and many various things on that topic. So hope you have understood the lesson. More videos I have attached. Thank you.